Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Arcane Season 1, Episode 6. I just watched the episodes 4 and 5. If you want to see my reaction videos about that, I'm gonna put the links into the eye. Yes, I'm French, as you can hear with my beautiful accent. Yes, I don't know how to sing, and what? Is it a reason enough for me to not sing? Not at all. Like, yes, I'm also the girl who watch a lot of games, you know, of League of Legends games. Yes, I'm supporting one team, one French team since 1 year. K-Corp on fire. No. See, I'm trying to sing even if I know that I can't sing. Yes, all of that. But yes, also, I don't know anything about the lore of League of Legends, and I don't know enough, you know, about the characters also to try to make connections during the show. Is it stopping me from reacting to this show? Not at all. Really, I'm not someone who is stopping myself with these stupid things, you know, these stupid reasons. Not at all. Oh, come on. I was a little stressed before the 3 first episodes. Not about the show, you know, but about how you were gonna receive my videos. But you were so nice with me that you reassured me with that. So now I'm feeling more comfortable right there on screen. Okay, about what happened during the last episode, I'm not gonna tell you all of what happened. I just want to tell you, before this episode 6, all of my theories for it. And for the next episode, the final episode of this season 1. We have 9 episodes, remember, for this season 1. First big theory, this season is about these characters, these stories, but they're gonna end these stories with this season, and the next one is gonna be about other characters, other stories. I'm saying that because of 2 reasons. The first one, they are rushing, you know, the actions. We are progressing so much into each episode with the potential developments of these characters, with what they can do and all in the future, that really for me we can end everything in fact during this season. And my second reason to think that is the fact that we are talking about League of Legends. We have so many characters into the game, we have so many things, which means that we have so many stories that the writers can tell. And also, you know, the League of Legends community, the fans, the players, they all have their favorite champs, favorite characters with which they love to play. So I think that they would want to see also the stories of their characters. And also with a title, you know, for the show like that, I think that you can do it. That's my big theory, you know, for the entire season. I mean, no, for the entire show. That's my big theory for it. For this story, for how it can evolve for the characters, I think, you know, that Victor or Jace are gonna try to use magic for Victor, trying to save him. It's gonna succeed because he's not gonna die, but it's gonna be done badly, and because of that it's gonna be different, you know. To explain how he is into the game, maybe it could be like that. That's for Victor's evolution. For their relationship evolution, my theory, the fact that they are seeing things such in a different way. Jace, he wants to be patient, he wants to play safe. Victor, he wants to rush things because he wants these innovations to save people. So they are not on the same page. And the fact that Jace, he knows about the political, the economical issues behind that, you know, and is okay with the fact that you need money to do your researches, so it's okay to sell your researches, you know, things about magic or magic itself to people. I can understand his logic, but Victor is going to be against that. He wants to use magic to help little people, you know, poor people. And what Chase is doing right now, it's gonna increase the fact that people are not equals and advantages for rich people and bad things for poor people. So they are not seeing things in the same way, and I think that it can create a conflict between these two, which is bad because their relationship is really great. Right there, Jace, he was there for Victor. And again, I'm not sure that it's Victor who is gonna use magic for himself. Maybe Jace can do it, in fact, for Victor. I'm wondering. You know, also for Mel, I think that she's honest with all of what she's saying, with what she wants for her city, with everything. She's honest, but still she's manipulating Jace to have what she wants. Even if she has feelings for him, true feelings and all, still. For the girls, when they're gonna meet again, these sisters, it's gonna kill me. When they're gonna fight, when one of them is gonna die because of the other one, the only hope that I can have right there, it's how the other episode ended, the last episode, with Silco saying, what? She's not dead? Like, you thought that she was dead? You paid someone to kill her? Jinx, she knows that? That's the little hope that I can have for Jinx to switch again, to come back with her sister. We'll see. So much hate, so much love between these two. It's awful. I understand, you know, both of them, how they reacted. Jinx right there, she's acting like a kid. She's still afraid of being all alone, and that's why she's like that, you know, with Silco. Him is more like a mentor for her. He's pushing her to do better, to work for him for sure, but also to evolve, to stop acting like a kid. Me, I want her to find herself, really, Jinx, for good, and to find also what she wants, because for now she's following Silco, she's doing stuff for him, but her, what she wants, she's a kid, she's just a kid, in fact, inside. She's feeling guilty about what happened, but she wants also to prove that she can do better. There is something right there. She can continue to evolve, you know. The development of her character, it's not the end. She can continue to evolve, and in so many different directions and so opposite directions. I don't know where she's gonna end, not really. Vi, she's working with Caitlyn right now to stop Silco. I don't know if they would do the same, you know, at the end about killing Jinx or not. We'll see. And I can imagine maybe a relationship between these two. We'll see. Hey, not that bad. 8 minutes to resume all of my series. It's not that bad. For other shows, for other situations, I can really do worse or better than that. It depends on what you think about this series. Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro right now and I'm gonna watch this episode 6. Like usually, if you want, you have my Patreon. On Patreon, they have all of the 3 episodes on one day, and then I'm posting them on YouTube one each day, so they are in advance, you know, in comparison of YouTube, and they have extended or full reaction part. I can't tell you for these 3 new episodes, but for the last ones, I put the extended reaction part for episode 1 and 2. It was 7 minutes longer, and the full reaction part for the episode 3. All of what happened during it, of course, I put the full reaction part. It's the best way to support me. If you can't join me on Patreon, you can still subscribe, like, comment. It's helping me also. Let's go for this episode 6. I'm not sure that I'm prepared for it, you know, if they made it like they made the episode 3, maybe I'm too excited before it, you know. I should prepare myself, I should grab a tissue. No, you know what? I'm an optimist person. We're gonna be okay. Come on. Oh, I didn't say it also, but one of my theories is the fact that we're gonna have a war. I think that it's gonna be declared during this episode, and then we're gonna have it for the 3 last episodes of the season. Maybe a new time jump after this episode 6? After a declaration of war? To have the end of the war? How it's gonna end? We'll see. if I'm right about the fact that the story is gonna end with this season. Victor? It's you, my dear. You're too slow to follow it. It's gonna make me sad. Oof.
Don't be afraid.
Circle? No. The doctor.
Loneliness is often the byproduct of a gift
No?
of mine. This is real. She's a rare mutation that I cultivated.
She looks nice. Ah. Oh, sweet.
She's died. Can I help? You want to assist me?
Are you still working now for this guy?
I heard your prognosis. I'm terribly sorry, my boy.
Me too.
You should be proud of what you've accomplished, Victor.
My contributions will be short-lived, even in your memory.
I have seen many students. It's a sad truth that those who shine brightest often burn fastest.
See that picture?
Listen, I'm sorry for disappearing last night.
Duty calls.
Nah, she's a little mad. But your friend?
Victor's dying.
Yes.
I think it has something to do with gases in the fissures where we grew up. Exactly the sort of thing we wanted to fix with Hextech. Saved my life once. Now he needs me, and there's nothing I can do. I hate feeling so useless. He's like my brother.
Oh.
Why did you come to me with this?
Nothing feels impossible when I'm with you.
He wants your support.
What? Why?
I fell short of Madada's standards. You should be with him, Chase. We can't change what fate has in store for us, but we don't have to face it alone.
Up. It has your blood. What was that?
Theorem.
Yeah.
Who are they? Why wasn't I invited to the party?
You are playing with it like that in front of everyone?
Fight with Zulfika. Did a number.
Alright.
Can you do this?
Even if she can't, she will hit it. Take your time, my dear. Stay alive. The firelight. They can be useful. I really think so.
We lost her.
Lost who?
You're not joking anymore, Jinx.
No need.
It's your sister.
She's back. She's looking for you. She's with some girl in Mercer. She replaced you.
Lying.
Yes, you are.
Silco finally gets the message that you're about as good for her cause as you were for your family.
Oh, you want to die, Jinx?
Jinx.
I think I know just how to deliver that message.
Crazy girl. The symbolic of that, being able to see yourself in the mirror. I see what you're doing, writers, come on.
Ah, about time Daddy joined. Vander's daughter. She was about your age. Her father went on a long trip, and Daddy here assured me that she left with him.
He told you that Vi died.
Sad. Could you imagine being separated?
That he killed her? Ah.
She's in a safe place.
You put her in jail.
Caitlin, she's a Kierman. Just like them, she does whatever she
Oh,
wants.
you all know about Caitlyn? That's bad.
Then of what use are you?
I'll track her down. I can fix this.
My people are tracking vines. Caitlin, they cannot be allowed to resurface. Do we understand each other?
Okay, they're gonna be tracked, searched in Piltover and in Zang.
Oops. Oh, so sorry. Accidents happen.
Aha!
It responds to organic matter. It could be the key to augmenting physiology, extending life.
Yours?
They're rejecting the transplantation.
Okay, you can't make it last.
We'll solve this. There may not be time.
I was gonna say it.
I can feel my body eroding. In the meantime, we'll do what we do best.
Study, that's it.
What is this place? It's where the kind of people you topsiders don't want to think about wind up.
Well done. You're haunted also by her.
I know you have your reservations about me. This only works if we can trust each other.
Hmm.
It doesn't work. It never has. I suppose Topside is to blame for all your misfortunes. Not all of them. I shouldn't have left you. I can tell.
Not you.
You have a good heart.
You've got a good heart.
Clearly I can imagine a love situation between these two.
It's an adaptive rune matrix. Hextech that evolves.
You can see inside. No, you.
Must destroy it. Please. If ever you've put faith in my guidance, hear me now. I've seen nations destroyed by a single...
Yes. It was like the memory that you told about the last war.
Victor, something's different. You've changed.
You already did it?
It's that thing. It must
No.
be destroyed.
He didn't use it, not yet.
No, I won't let you.
I will have it destroyed one way or another.
That's your opinion. We'll see if the council agrees.
You want to save your friend. Your brother.
I might know someone else who could help. You do what you have to. I need to get ready.
The doctor.
What?
Is she all right?
You are?
Easy. That's Bob. I'm Frank. Or at least it was. I owed her, old man, my life.
What
She's
happened to
bleeding.
you?
She needs a doctor.
Not so simple to come by around here.
Can we trust you?
Come with me.
I would. No other choice right there.
Ailment.
You seem like a nice person.
She's been stabbed.
She makes potions. Helps people here with this.
Why would you take something that does that to you?
I just wanted the oil spike to be somebody.
Oh.
Instead of trade.
It can work bad on some people and on some others. Your gun?
Thank you.